Oh, are you tired of city noise? Just 20 minutes from downtown Toronto, and you are splashing through the water at Humber Bay on a jet ski. This is the GTS secret adrenaline getaway. The location of Humber Bay shows in Etobicoke, a hidden waterfront gem with the skyline views, turquoise water, and the thrilling water sports. How to get there from downtown Toronto? If you are taking your car, take about 20 to 25 minutes. It may cost you $15 to $20 round trip with the gas and the parking. If you are going by Uber or Lyft, each way during non-peak hours, it costs about $22 to $30. If you are taking TTC Transit, GO Train or streetcar or bus, it costs about $3.35 one way. And you can bike ride beautiful waterfront trail, take 30 to 45 minutes from Union Station. Jet ski rental rates at Humber Bay. It's about $90 to $120 per hour depending on the company and the day of the week. They might require the security deposit, usually $500 refundable. They provide you life jackets and no license is needed for guided rides or just go there and get it. Popular jet ski companies in the Humber Bay. Number 1, Toronto Jet Ski Rental. Number 2, Go Tour Jet Ski. And number 3, Water Play Toronto. And remember, always book in advance. Summer weekends get packed, so you don't need a vacation to feel free. You just need an hour on a lake. Humber Bay just skiing is not just a ride, it's a memory you will replay all your year long. Add this to your summer bucket list and thanks us later. You will definitely enjoy your summer. And I believe this is the summer time. You can plan with your family, friends, or your special friends. You will not forget it for a long time. Stay blessed. Thank you.